Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're unboxing the latest Stanley MESSI collaboration. Now this collection came with 4 different drinkware pieces as well as an independent Stanley mate straw. Now first we're going to take a look at the mate mug. This is an 8-ounce mug. And kind of what you see is what you get. There's no bells and whistles, nothing opens, nothing closes, things like that. Now Stanley did release a straw, which we don't have just yet, that actually sold out within minutes. It was genuinely the first piece to go. Now this mug was also the second piece to go in the collection, so this was really the star of the collection. Now, if you're not familiar with what mate is, it is essentially a herbal drink that comes from South America. It's traditionally drank very popularly in Argentina, which is where MESSI is actually from. And it is considered kind of like a communal drink. So it's very popular to have at social gatherings and kind of just pass around that drink and share all from the same cup. Now mate is usually drank from a gourd, a hollowed out gourd, but with Stanley's new collection, they've created this Stanley material and in MESSI's signature pink color from the Miami soccer team. As far as design goes, we do have the Stanley logo on the front, and then on the back we do have the goat sign. Along the top, we have the words "Stay late, start early" repeated, which you will see throughout the packaging as well as the rest of the collection. And then inside, you're gonna have a pretty sharp stainless material. Now, like all Stanleys that have metal, this is not made for the microwave. You can throw this in the dishwasher, however. And that is pretty much it. If you do want to learn about the extended care and use, all Stanleys come with this packet. I'm going to show you a little bit of it, and feel free to freeze frame and dive in a little bit more deeply. But overall, there you have it. So as I mentioned, this is the mate mug. The collection also came in a 24-ounce flip top bottle, a traditional 40-ounce quencher, as well as a 64-ounce jug and a mate system mug with a cup on top. We will be unboxing a few other Stanley MESSI items on the Fashion Try-On, so be sure to subscribe. As always, let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.